How to buy STOIC, the modern STOIC token. So before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, so before going and buy this token, make sure to check their X account and keep following their updates about this token. Now, after that, go on the screener and find the token. So if you don't have an account on the screener, just go and create one. Now, as you can see, this is our token here. Now, to be able to buy this token, just make sure or remember that this token is under Solana network. Now, copy the token address from here and go and open your Phantom wallet. Now, after that, log into your wallet. And now, after that, click on swap. Now, from here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now, click here and now add or paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Now, here, enter how much you want to buy. And this is how much you will receive. Now from here, just select the provider, for example, Jupiter. Now after that, make sure you have read all of this information. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider to be able to buy this token. So if you face any issues, just go back to this page and click on slippage from here. Now switch the slippage from here or custom slippage to be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy this STOIC token. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.